Today we will be working on a 2008 Mazda 3. Video, we're replacing the front rotors. Make sure you set your parking brake. And chock your rear tires. You'll need to jack the car up and secure it with the jack stand. Once it's secured on the jack stands, you can go ahead and start taking off your tire. After you take the wheel off, start working on taking off the brake caliper. It's going to have a couple bolts right back here. These two, we'll take them off. The whole caliper will come off. On my particular model, these bolts are a 17 millimeter. Once both bolts are out, you can pull the caliper off. Once the caliper's all the way off, secure it. I like using a coat hanger to make sure it hangs out of the way. Once the brake caliper itself is secured out of the way, you should be able to pull the rotor right off. There we are. We're changing out the old rotor for a new drilled and slotted one. You're gonna place your new ones on the lugs. Just push it into place. Next we'll be putting the caliper back on. Once the caliper's back on, just make sure you line up the bolt holes back here. Top and the bottom one. Once you torque down the caliper, now we can put our wheel back on. Once you put the wheel back on, get your lug nuts back on the car, and then you'll be ready to lower it down. Once your car is safely back on the ground, you're now done with the front rotors.